Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing? I'm coming to you with my next project to share the beginnings of it here. I was just having some fun making some covers for these little mini Halloween journals or fallish journals. And so welcome to my channel. And so what I'm doing is I had printed out that kit that I used to make my traveler's notebook, which I showed in my last kind of flip through, and I showed the cover on that when I started. So I thought I'd just show you the covers on these as I'm starting, because I printed out that kit in a full size and in this size. And I was saying in those videos, I didn't remember what size, what percentage this was. But so you would just have to experiment maybe with, if you wanted to print out a kit in a smaller size, just experiment with the percentage and see what you come up with. But this is one of the pages. I picked 3 pages from the kit to be my covers on these little minis. And these are they're coming out so cute. I wanted to just share. So like this is one of the pages. I've backed them all with orange cardstock. I have put something on, on all of them inside and out to reinforce the spine. So like this one has that black lace that I like so much. I used them in that traveler's notebook. And it's just perfect how it wraps around and just has a little edge on both sides. So pretty, I think. And so it's on the inside too, really pretty. And then I did sew that down. How I did it was I cut my cardstock, my pages were already cut, and then I kind of glued it down so it would all stay in place. I even glued the lace down, and then I sewed everything down. But I sewed a straight stitch down on both sides of this lace so it's nice and, sturdy on there, and it's not going anywhere, it's not coming up. It's kind of glued and sewn. And then, so I did the same thing, that went through, so it stitched both sides. And then I sewed around the edges with some zigzag stitching, and I think that came out so cute. And then it's just, folded in half. The zigzag stitch almost, acts like a trim, and it is black thread, so you can see, that it shows up, and I like that. So that's one. You can see how it looks with the little kids, and the pumpkin, the black cat, a little girl on the back. And then the next 2, I have some of the pages here ready to go. They've got to be, cut and fit, but tonight I was just working on the covers, decided to get all the 3 covers done here. So this one is a pumpkin and orange and black, and it says Happy Halloween right here. And the same thing on this one with the black lace, and then, the exact stitching and everything on this one, except just a different, image on the front and back. So that's that one. And it doesn't say Happy Halloween on the back, just on the front side. And this one is super cute. I did a little different. This one has a little scarecrow on it. And this is the back of this one. Isn't that adorable? And then I've sewn down this fabric. It's all done the same way, glued and sewed. So I sewed the fabric down. And let's see. I think I need another stitch on here because I sewed on the inside to make sure it was down, and then I think I need another stitch on the outside, so I'll do that. But then I also did the same on the front, which I have this little trim. This was from an apron, and I've used this in some of my other projects, but this is from a vintage apron, and I thought it looked good with this overall image here with the scarecrow and kind of a more country look and more fall-y instead of Halloweeny on the cover anyway. And so yeah, so I put this, vintage fabric here, and it already had this little trim on it, which I thought worked out perfectly because it has some orange stitching on it right there. And so that's how it looks, on the front. That's how it looks on the back. And then the inside looks like this. So it has that same trim right here, and, sewn down. So really cute. They're coming along, and so I'm going to work on the pages next, and I'll get back to you with my progress. And just let me know if you have any questions, or if I can share with you anything in between the time that this stage and the time that I just go ahead and do all the pages and sew them in and come back with my final flip through. So sometimes I just, you know, get going and end up finishing them before I know it, and I don't come back with a video, another in-between video, until I do my final flip through. But, you know, it is what it is. Unless you all have a question for me in between, I'll come back and show you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time. Happy crafting.